visiting Universal Orlando Resort during the holidays, here are my top 6 must-dos.
Rix, top 6, party time, excellent. Come on.
Now there are more than 6 things to do here during the holidays, but if you do these 6 things, you're gonna walk away having had an awesome holiday experience at Universal Orlando Resort. There are 4 items on this list to do at Universal Studios Florida, and 2 items on this list to do at Islands of Adventure. Let's start over there. Of course, to visit both parks, you will need a park-to-park ticket, not just a single park ticket. And one more thing I want to mention before we get started, this list is in no particular order. So with that being said, let's start with item number 1, which is see the Castle Projection Show here in Hogsmeade, appropriately called The Magic of Christmas at Hogwarts Castle. There are multiple shows per evening, starting when it gets dark and going all the way to park closing, whenever that may be on the particular night you're here. But I do have a bit of pro advice for you when viewing this show, which is get yourself a hot butterbeer before the show, as this projection show is best enjoyed with a hot butterbeer in hand. Please note, these red butterbeer carts do not serve hot butterbeer, only regular butterbeer and frozen butterbeer. Sometimes they have this specialty cart that will serve hot butterbeer. Otherwise, you can get your hot butterbeer at the 3 Broomsticks or at Hogshead before the projection show starts. And I guess I should briefly mention the Frog Choir. They do perform a set of Christmas songs this time of year, though that did not make my list of top 6. I just wanted you to know it is available to you should you want to view it. But most definitely, you do need to check out the Magic of Christmas at Hogwarts Castle during the holiday season. Item number 2 on our list of holiday must-dos is to watch the Grinchmas Hula Day Spectacular. There are 8 show times during the day, the earliest starting at 10:15 in the morning. This show is performed by team members and non-team members alike, but all the performers are wonderful. It's sort of become a family tradition in my household to see this show every year. If you're familiar with the cartoon, the Christmas special, it's just kind of like a live action retelling of that. So much fun, and it features Mannheim Steamroller, so you know it has great music. And speaking of Mannheim Steamroller, it makes the list because over here at Universal Studios Florida at Music Plaza, Mannheim Steamroller actually performs their amazing holiday music. This year they will be performing on December 2nd and 3rd, 9th and 10th at 7 p.m. And the best thing of all, their performance is included in your theme park admission to Universal Studios Florida. Grab yourself a popcorn and a drink over here at this snack bar. Sit or stand over here in this grassy area. Universal allows both, sitting or standing, and enjoy a phenomenal holiday performance. Something that will really get you in the Christmas mood. My wife Nikki absolutely loves this Mannheim Steamroller performance, and for that reason, it's on today's list at number 3. We're gonna move on to item number 4 now. Visit the Holiday Tribute Store this year, located on Hollywood Boulevard. The Universal Creative Team does such a great job. This is not just a place to buy merchandise and snacks, though I do recommend the treats and the snacks. This is a good place just to walk around and enjoy the Christmas creativity of the Universal Creative Team. Each room so unique, so beautiful. Check out this Holiday Tribute Store just to enjoy a mosey through it, and like I said, get yourself a snack while you're at it. And as you can see, I could not resist a sweet treat. I got myself the Max Brownie. So let's pause right here before we move on to item number 5 on today's list of holiday must-dos, because I must do this treat. It's peanut butter and chocolate. 2 great tastes that taste great together. Now that I've had that treat, let's move on to item number 5 on today's must-do holiday list. The holiday parade they have here at Universal. I love this parade because it features Macy's, which means of course those big, beautiful holiday balloons. And these here, of course, featuring Universal characters, makes it that much more fun. And now I'm gonna walk around and show you some of my favorite spots to view this parade. I like this corner of Hollywood and Vine, near Mel's Drive-In, Cafe La Bamba, and the Horror Makeup Show, because you get the parade coming and going. This is the starting point and the finishing point of the parade. So if you want an extra long experience enjoying the parade, this corner is the place to be. This little spot right here, though, usually reserved for pass holders. The other spot that I like here on Hollywood Boulevard is near the Bourne Stuntacular, right here at this bend in the road, because you get to see the parade coming and then it curves right beside you. So, see it coming, see it going. And by the Christmas tree, this is a prime viewing spot of the parade, mainly because Santa pauses here to do a lighting ceremony. I will warn you, this is a very popular spot and gets very crowded, so get here early if you want to see Santa light up the Christmas tree. On to item number 6, though it won't be the last one. I will throw in a bonus at the end, but item number 6 is the holiday overlays to some of the shows they have here, starting with the Blues Brothers on Delancey Street. Jake and Elwood do a nice little Christmas show here on stage. Even go as far as to decorate a Christmas tree. A little further down from Delancey Street in New York City, near Macy's, Maryland and the Jingle Bellas certainly makes this a hot set as they do their Christmas performance, complete with their holiday outfits and holiday songs.
Santa baby, slip a sable under the tree for me. I've been an awful good girl, Santa baby, so hurry down the chimney tonight. Santa baby, a 54 convertible to light blue. I'll wait up for you, dear Santa baby, so hurry down the chimney tonight. Think of all the fun I've missed. Think of all the fellas that I haven't kissed. Liar. Next year I could be just as good if you'll check off my Christmas list. Santa baby, there's one thing I really do need, that's keys to a platinum bag. Santa baby, so hurry down the chimney tonight.
Don't break this one, he's the only one we got. You got it, Nick. There you go, yes. You're doing great. Just keep smiling, it looks very natural. Alright, let's hear it for Nick, our Santa baby. Sit on down there.
Come and trim my Christmas tree. There's some decorations bought at Tiffany's. I really do believe in you. Let's see if you believe in me.
Take it away, Marilyn.
Santa baby, forgot to mention one little thing. A ring. I don't mean on the phone, Santa baby. So hurry down the chimney tonight, Santa baby, and hurry down the chimney tonight, Santa baby, and hurry down the chimney tonight, Santa baby, and hurry down the chimney tonight.
So yeah, when you're here during the holidays, be sure to check out those fun holiday overlays with those shows. And maybe, hey, maybe you'll get pulled up on stage with Marilyn and the Jingle Bellas. And then of course, here in the Wizarding World, Celestina Warbeck and the Banshees do a set of holiday songs, including what has become one of my favorite holiday songs, Accio Christmas.
Accio Christmas, come bring up the joy. Accio Christmas, every girl and boy sing. Accio Christmas, all through the year, till the Jingle Bell season is finally here. Accio
And that was Rick's top 6 holiday must-dos at Universal Orlando Resort, but it seems like I'm forgetting something. Didn't I promise you a bonus? I think I did. The bonus item is to do the Grinch meet and greet in Seuss Landing. It's the big fancy Christmas Grinch. He's so like attentive and snarky, so it's a good interaction. The only reason why I did not include it officially on the top 6 is because the wait time can get over 3 hours. So for that reason, I didn't include it as a must-do, but if you have the time to invest, the Grinch is a fun meet and greet. And with that being said, don't miss the magic, don't miss the fun, click that subscribe button.